How do we strengthen humanities to do exactly what you have talked about that higher education's goals are, to really strengthen individuals, to really get the public infused with great humanities work, understanding? What is it that we can do to ensure that happens?
First and foremost, the public has to be able to encounter the humanities. That firsthand encounter changes people, edifies them in a way that nothing else can. They may not be in a library poring over books, but when they go to a play, and that play strikes them, at the very center of their being, then you have a person who's awakened to what can happen when they encounter great writing, for example. When you have someone who, one of the things that I advocate all the time for my colleagues who love obscure, dense, obscure prose, I say, write in a way that people can understand what you're saying, because you don't ever want to have just a select group of people who can access the humanities, right? And so we deal with difficult concepts, but because we deal with difficult concepts doesn't mean that others can access them as readily. So I'm always advocating for a language that can reach the public, right? In the way that it reached me, who was so far from any understanding of what the humanities represented, okay? That encounter is the thing that you want.